Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this scene with the UFO coming in and striking the cow, like you see on the screen right now. Don't worry, no animals were harmed during this tutorial. You can get this video from Pixabay, and we'll go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there in the way. We'll get a merge. Bring down the PNG picture of the UFO. Add a transform. We use that to size it and animate it. We got 471 frames. I'm going to start out on frame 40. Move it off the screen. Set a keyframe. Advance to frame 100. I'm on a 30 FPS. I'm going to advance 40 frames. Set a keyframe. Go to 180. We'll give it a play, see how it looks. Open the spline. Select them. Zoom to fit. Select all. Hit F on the keyboard. Then hit T. And this little ease in, ease out window will open up. We're going to ease in and out so we can lock it. And run this up to about 50. Don't have to be perfect. Okay. Get a polygon. Select the merge. Add another merge. Get a background. Excuse my voice tonight. Make the background red. I'm going to advance 20 more frames to 200. Select the polygon. I'm going to go a little bit farther to 220. Set the border width to 0.004. Take the length all the way down. Set a keyframe. Advance 4 frames. Take the length all the way back up. Advance 10 frames. Set a keyframe on a position. Then advance 4 more frames. And take the position all the way up. You want to leave your playhead on the last keyframe. and go back to the edit page. Line up your explosion. You want to set your playhead to where you can barely not see the cow or the subject. Lock track 2 for now. Cut that right there and track 1. Now we'll make a compound clip out of this. And then we'll go to the color page. You want to make sure your power windows are on. Select them here. Then go to tracker. Now we want to go up here to effects and get object remover. Drop it on your node. Select scene analyst. Then build clean plate. It's not perfect, but it'll do. One thing, you might not be able to see it, but there's a little dot up here. Go back to Fusion. Select the polygon. And on border style, select flat. And now the dot's gone. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.